There you go. I'm now recording. Fuck's sake. I quit. No, turkey! Or whatever thing they were. Oh, he's back. Ah! Look at this guy. Calvin. Stop. Look at this. Calvin. Ah! He doesn't like it. What are you doing? What are you eating, Calvin? You have a little, oh, don't fucking eat it! I was about to ridicule you for eating this leg, but I just did the same thing. Fuck's sake, unbelievable. Can you, follow me, please? And head on over here. Leg. Oh shit, I can throw it. No, Kelvin, watch out! No, mate, I'm so sorry. Okay, it's fine. Go up here, and I need you to... Oh! Fucker, go away. Where's he going again? Kelvin, come back! Dramatic much. I know, right? Kelvin, I'll chase you to the end of the earth. Don't leave me. I'm sorry. I'll stop bullying you. Hey! He's getting me back. I see you two there. I don't know what you... I don't know what the fuck you think you're doing. The fuck out you? Fuck. Back here again. Same shit as last time. Cut myself free. And just run away. Fuck. Oh God! Maybe not. What's happening to me? Fuck. Oh no! I'm dead. No! I didn't know that could happen. No! My house! My beautiful house! Ridiculous. Can't believe it. I don't think I... What the fuck? A solar panel. A whole ass solar panel. You can't go wrong with that, can you? Fucking hell. No fucking about this time. Straight into... That was just the test run. That was just the fucking tutorial. I know what to do this time. Don't let me hit you by accident, Kelvin. Don't get in the way of my ferocious swings. I have experienced. This is where shit really gets intense. Action-packed, bust thwacking gameplay. Haha! Yes. Where to go? Where to go? I'm gonna go find a place for a house, for a base. Maybe there near the pond, or like on top of a hill or some shit. At the edge of a cliff, so I can only get attacked from one side. Aha! Come here, dear. I can only get attacked from one side. I'm so sorry, dear. Kelvin, get out of my limelight. Oh shit! Hey yo, my bad. Hey, this is not the prime location. Kelvin, abort, man. Get the fuck out of there. That's not where we want to be. Fuck. Maybe here? This is like kind of a... What are we saying? Here? Put the back of my house here. Get some consensus from chat. And by that, I mean you, Jade. Oh shit, what's that over there? There's like some boxes over there. I like that. Oh, Kelvin. Finish my building for me. And by finish, I mean start it and do it in its entirety. Please, for me. Let's go check out what this thing is over here. Oh shit. Heard a noise and shit myself. It was Kelvin chopping down a tree. What is this? Just some boats and a bit of rope. Fair enough. You can fuck off.
Fatality.
Fuck's sake. Instantly. Fucking instantly. Why did I put this on hard difficulty? I'm such an idiot. Can you fuck off? I need him to like move away. So I can cut myself down and sprint in there. Get my shit. Hello. See, he's walking about. He's doing stuff. I need this guy to do stuff. Huh? Don't you touch my shit. Okay. Now's the time. Okay. Quick! Quick! Running! Kelvin, you better finish that house by the time I get there. Maybe... I've never actually been paying attention to my health. Maybe I'm just on really low health, and that's why I keep getting, like, one-shotted. I think in reality, I just need to heal myself a little bit. God, I can't believe I fucking died. Jesus. Hey, Kelvin! This is my tree. Back off. How the fuck did you chop that tree down from all the way over there? Kelvin's a bit spooky. There's something, what happened there? Something not right about this guy. Where's that? Oh, fuck! Oh, piss off, please. Not now. At least let me get my house and save. A cup of light. That's not a very good light. What in the fuck? There's a sexy lady of the night here to see me. Too dark? You can't see? Is the stream really dark? Come back some. What's the stream like in this level of darkness? Is it really, not in general? Is it still visible? Just for nighttime. Okay. What am I looking at? What is this? There's a four-legged, four-armed lady just, Kelvin, don't go over there. Four boobs? Don't know about that. It's too dark for me to see.
If you go live.
It's now completely pitch black. This is really bad. I don't know what to do. Oh fuck! I let it get way too dark. What do I do? Fucking shit. Kelvin just shit me up. He just ran at me with some logs. I kind of shit myself a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I attacked him with a leg earlier. That was in an alternate reality. That didn't happen. I died. This is an entire new world. There's no human resources for him to call anyway. He can't call HR on me. I'm the judge, jury, and executioner of him. It's me or no one. This is literally not to out myself as a small time streamer, but this is literally the most viewers I've ever had, and it's the least interesting thing I've ever recorded or streamed in my life. Me struggling to survive at night time. Why is night time so long? I mean, you're meant to be able to skip it, but I don't have a... Oh, wait, shit! He's finished it! He's fucking done it! He's only gone and fucking done it. Fucking crikey. He's just fucking finished the house. Let me just get this debris out of here. Yeah! Kelvin! What a guy. Holy shit. Save, first of all. I wonder if I could have just loaded a save, actually, when I died. I didn't think of that. I probably could have just reloaded when I died and failed. Way! Easy. Kelvin slept outside. That meat is gone. Don't worry. It's fine. I'm watching Kelvin making sure he doesn't eat it. What should I do? What do I do? I need some Sons of the Forest experts in here. Go on an adventure? I probably should. And go find some shit. Okay, right, I'll go on put my light away. I'll go on an adventure. Make Kelvin follow you to a camp, get the radio, and then have a dance party. There's a radio I can get? Sure. Radio it is. Oh. So where's this camp? Is there only one of them? Is there only one camp I can find? Or do they sort of spawn periodically, like, around the world? Should I Google it? That's cheating. I can't do that. There's a creepy bastard on the riverbank over there. There's another one. What the fuck? What the fuck? He just like guerrilla warfare like popped out of a bush at me. Kelvin, don't just walk around like nothing's happening right now. John C. Kelvin, you're under attack. Ugh. Fucking have it. There you are. Sorry, I'll read that in a second. There's someone right there. In fact, fuck it, Kelvin, we're going across the water. We're going away. Because I just assume they can't wade through water. Never mind. My theory instantly got thwarted. Okay, I'm just going to run off. Come on, Kelvin. We've got places to go. Oh, but it fuck off. Kelvin! You're under attack again. I'm about to die. Fuck off. Oh. Oh, fuck, it's nighttime once again because I saved before. Oh, God. But, stay. Stay, Kelvin. Get lost. No, stay. Stay here. Stay at shelter. Stay at shelter. Well, I've got a stick in my hand. I don't... There you go. I'll just run to the coast, actually, this time. I'll just run straight to the coast and see what I can find. Look at this sheer cliff face I'm at. This is what I was missing. It just didn't show up on the map. I couldn't tell it was, like, here. I might actually just make another one. Yeah, look at this. This is lovely and flat. Next to some fresh water. Fuck it. I'm doing it. God damn it. Oh, and Kelvin's all the way over there. Looks like I'm going back and getting him. This poor house. I know, man. I can't even dismantle it right. I'm getting all like the shitty half logs and shit. Okay, that's it. Off we go. Look at the fucking arms on me, man. Oh. Up we go. Come on. I know this used to be really glitchy in the first game. You used to like actually spaz out and kill yourself and like fling off into the atmosphere with these things. Fucking hell, Kelvin! Jesus Christ! Watch what you're doing, man. Look what you've done. What the fuck is that? What is... Yo, what's going on? I thought it was like a I thought it was like a coconut crab or something, like scuttling across the floor, and I just walked across. Also, it was a bird nose diving into the floor. How is he doing that? There's something not right about this guy. I'm telling you. He was just IRL dupe glitching this stone in front of me. Or rock, sorry. Or stone. Or whatever the fuck. I think it's going to turn nighttime again soon. I'm going to build a very basic hunting shelter. Whoa! That's crazy. Oh. Beautiful. Hey! Look at my beautifully sketchy hunting shack. Look at this. Let's save. Brilliant. Wait, shit. I might have slept too early. Oh, I think the sun's rising. Oh, it is. Oh, what a relief. Jesus Christ, Kelvin. You've been hard at work. Mate, you can calm down. I don't need this many stones. Fucking it, he truly doesn't stop, does he? Oh, I wonder if I can catch fish, actually. I wonder if that's possible. No, I don't think it is. That's not working, is it? I think I have to... Oh, I tell you what, I can eat him. Eating flowers. Gotta do. Man's gotta do what man's gotta do. What's that? I've got some crunchy wunchies.
Doesn't matter, it's updated.
Amazing! I didn't know I had those. Some crunchy fucking wunchies. But, Kelvin? Thought I told you to fucking stay at the... Get the fuck away from... You could... Get the fuck away from... Oh shit. Kelvin, help. Oh god. Oh, is he like... ripping apart his friend? Fuck. Fuck, so many stones you left here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. It's been a bit of a sporadic one, and a lot of crazy shit's happened. It's been a bit of a all over the place kind of episode. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy, guys.